do these tips and tricks if you want to try to capture a Sasquatch on camera or get close to one. You gotta do your tree knocks. He likes bright colors. If you want to attract a Sasquatch, you have to have bright colors. To do your best Bigfoot howl.
Whatever. I ain't doing it.
Why? Don't forget, you have to leave in the present. If you want to try to capture a Sasquatch on camera, or even catch a glimpse, try all these tips next time you're out in Sasquatch territory, and let me know how they work. You never know. Oh my God, look at what Sasquatch did to this tree.